mga na-experience ko for 1.5 years, for a 22-year-old like me. So, ito yung mga headquarters ng office. Mamaya na tayo dyan. So, yung experiences ko lang, sole experience ko, for 1.5 year ng 20 years old. Ticket to the world. Bakit? Travel. Travel. Gala. Travel. 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 Gusto niyo ba yun?
Yes.
Napatravel-travel na lang. At very young age na masasabi mong talagang there's more into life, no? Talagang there's more that we can experience in life kasi ang change naman in life, no? If we want to make a change in life, kung gusto natin maging maganda buhay natin, if gusto nating matawag na sarili natin stable and free, kasi alam natin na ang greatest, no? Ang greatest currency na mabibigay natin sa sarili natin at sa family natin is hindi pera, kundi freedom. Freedom to choose for our own lives, freedom to decide on what we want, freedom to experience and enjoy more in life, no? So, for a 22-year-old like me, what more sa iba na mas marami ng experience in life, no? Mas marami ng naranasan in life, but still, they still found something here within Riway, no? And I believe the next share that I will call to share more about the company is someone who is very experienced in various aspects in life, no? She is once, no, a teacher. Ang teacher dito sa Philippines, ano pong mga teacher dito sa Philippines? Maraming mga teacher. Maraming benefits. Bukod po sa benefits, trabaho, di ba? Ang mga workload ng teacher sa Philippines, marami. Bukod doon, pagdating sa financial, masasabi natin na mga teacher is taga-London. Alam niyo po ba ang mga teacher natin sa Philippines is taga-London? Bakit? London nandito. Kasi, di ba, gaya nga po na nabanggit, no? Ang mga teacher, maraming workload. Hindi na pinoprovide ng government minsan ng gastusin out of pocket na nagagaling yan sa ating mga teachers, no? Na pinapalakpakan natin yan. And we ought to share this kind of opportunity to them when the time comes, no? So, wag ko nang patagalin. Let us all welcome our next share that will share more about the company.